Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make fried yam and egg sauce. So I like for the tomato, pepper and onions blend to be roughly chopped. I set the tomato, pepper and onions blend aside so that I can get into other things like washing the things I've already used, and we'll get into cutting the yams because I want everything to be ready almost at the same time so that both the fried yam and the egg sauce will be hot right before we start eating. So I like to slice my yams irregular, like I slice it anyhow in different shapes because I like it to be big to hold whatever it is that I'm eating with it, whether it's egg sauce or normal sauce. So I was showing you the two ways that I cut it. I cut it into fries because of other people that are eating it. Once the water boils, I put in my yams, not for it to completely get done, just for it to soften up a bit because what I get is a crispy outside and a soft interior. The yams have been boiling for 4 to 5 minutes, so I took it out so it cools off, and then we'll go back into our egg sauce action. Once the egg sauce is almost done, I take it off and start frying the yams. So this is how I achieve both the yams and egg sauce being both done almost at the same time. So once the yams are done, I then put the egg sauce back on the fire, and in 1 minute it's completely done. And I serve this for myself, my dad and my sister. If this video was of any value or help to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.